Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the pop-up or Lightbox on Wix. So let's get started. So in order to do that, just head over to your Wix website editor, and then from in there, just click on this Add Elements. Now, once you have add on that, you should be able to see in here a lot of things right here. So if you can't find Lightbox, what you can do is you can search for it right here. So click on search, and then search in here for Lightbox. So Lightboxes actually pop-ups, so it has the same thing. So in here you can see the promotion Lightboxes, contact Lightboxes, as well as welcome Lightboxes. It is actually under the interactive part of your actual Wix elements. So in here is the interactive. You can see in here promotion, welcome, subscribe, and contact. So you just choose which one you want to add as your pop-up in here. So it totally depends on you what you want. So for example, it can be a promotion, a contact, or anything like that. So for this one, I will just add in this actual promotional for final sale. So to add this, I just need to drag this to my actual website. So for this, I will drag it right here, and then it will be added just like this. So you can actually edit it however you want it to be. So for example, you can edit it out. So let's first exit the Lightbox mode. So if you exit that, you won't be able to see it. But if you want to see it again, you should see it under the page and in here the Lightboxes. So you can edit it. So you can add in extra, or for example, you want to add in a percentage. So you want to, for example, add this as only 10% instead of 60. You can edit out however you want. You can also add in and edit out any text. It can be clearance styles or anything right here. Totally depends on you what you want. So you can also click on manage light boxes right here. And you can click on the three dots in order to duplicate, rename, or delete it. You can also set in triggers wherein it will pop up once people have actually sees it done. So it's on the pages of home. It has a delay of 2 seconds. So for this one, you can change out into anything you want. So for me, I'll change that into 3 seconds right here. And the lightbox name is right here. And you can put in a close for your lightbox like an X mark or a close box right here. Now from in there, you can actually put in animation for that and glide in, expand in like this. You can see a preview of that specific animation. So the glide in, bounce in just like that. Totally depends on you what you want to use. So let's exit this mode and let's try to publish it. If you don't want to publish it yet, you can also just see a preview. But since I already published it, I just need to click on view site right here. So I will open this website right here for my home page, and then I will just scroll down, and in a few seconds, the delay will actually happen, and then a lightbox will appear right here and pop up. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add pop-up or lightboxes on your Wix website. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. Be safe.